The Profile to SEM mode in Simulation Hub completely redefines computational metrology by transforming complex physical extrusion into an incredibly intuitive workflow. At the heart of this mode is the Waveform Designer, a remarkably simple 30-point interactive canvas. Users can effortlessly construct arbitrary electron yield waveforms by simply dragging nodes across the X and Y axes. This visual approach eliminates the need for writing cumbersome mathematical equations to define surface topology. Instantly accessible presets allow for rapid initialization of common lithography structures. The entire interface is designed to keep the user focused on geometry rather than struggling with convoluted configuration files. Flexibility is woven deeply into the engine, allowing the 1D waveform to be seamlessly extruded into infinite 2D line space trenches or wrapped into 360-degree contacts. The architecture dynamically scales to grid sizes up to 4,096 pixels, accommodating both rapid prototyping and extreme resolution physics mapping. Advanced Line Edge Roughness, LER, parameters put absolute control over signal degradation directly in the user's hands. By adjusting a dedicated organic spread variable, users can transition from mathematically pure, rigid spikes to highly stochastic, natural polymer edges. The integration of distinct low, mid, and high-frequency bandwidth controls allows for precise, targeted injection of spatial noise. This frequency domain flexibility ensures that the simulated morphology perfectly mirrors the complex signal interactions observed in real-world fabrication. Furthermore, users can effortlessly scale the amount of generated features and adjust the bit depth to match any target image format. True innovation within Profile to SEM lies in its ability to bypass heavy optical simulation entirely for pure, high-speed physical modeling. A built-in batch augmentation module revolutionizes the creation of machine learning datasets by applying randomized affine transformations on the fly. Automated jittering of scale, rotation, and spatial shifting produces thousands of unique training frames from a single drawn waveform. These geometric variations are calculated with absolute mathematical rigor prior to any stochastic noise injection. Every generated array natively embeds rigorous quantum noise models tuned strictly to user-defined signal-to-noise ratio, SNR, decibel targets. The system can immediately route these pristine and noisy image pairs through an active neural network proxy for instantaneous inference comparison. A dedicated visualizer actively renders the cross-sectional 1D profile directly alongside the simulated 2D top-down SEM result for immediate validation. All custom waveform configurations can be serialized and reloaded instantly, ensuring perfect reproducibility across different research sessions. Because the user directly dictates the ground truth topology, Profile SEM serves as an impeccable calibration standard for external metrology tools. Generating a mathematically precise, deterministic sample allows engineers to rigorously benchmark independent metrology inspection algorithms. When a measurement system evaluates these synthetic images, any deviation from the original 30-point curve immediately isolates algorithmic bias. This capability is paramount for validating advanced computational metrology software before deploying it on physical wafers. The absolute certainty of the underlying structural dimensions removes the ambiguity traditionally caused by unpredictable optics. As a result, research teams can safely test the absolute limits of their contour extraction and Fourier analysis tools using perfectly characterized datasets. Even when maximum organic spread and severe SNR penalties are applied, the fundamental baseline architecture remains a known, quantifiable absolute. This transforms the simulator from a mere visualization tool into a formidable primary reference standard for cross-system verification. Ultimately, Profile to SEM empowers researchers to architect flawless virtual samples that push the boundaries of modern metrology calibration and analytical accuracy.